Hey, hi guys, Ashish here. Today we'll be learning about the process of creating virtual environments in Python 3 in macOS. So the importance of creating virtual environment is that let's say we're working on a project, we're working on multiple projects basically, and we want to maintain our different versions of libraries for different projects. So if we just install all the libraries in our parent folder, like the default Python folder, then library folder basically, and then what it will do is the same version will be used for all the projects. So to avoid all these kind of conflicts and just to maintain your own project independent of each other, this virtual environment plays a very significant role, and it is quite easy actually. So the way you do it, you just go to the respective folder or project folder you want to create a virtual environment on, and then you just type in simple command Python3 -m for virtual environment, and you type your virtual environment name. Just let me type it project1_env, and once I click on hit and enter, and then yeah, you see there's a new folder got created. So let me actually go inside there and show you what exactly got created. So if you see here inside project, there's a bin folder, there's an include and library folder. So all the libraries you installed, it will go in here. And then if you go inside bin, there is a file called bash file called activate. So all you need to do is you need to call this particular file, which will activate your environment, and then you're good to go. And then you can install all the libraries you want, and then you can just open Jupyter Lab from that environment and or Jupyter notebooks, and then keep working. So how do I activate this environment? As I mentioned, I need to travel to that bin folder. So let me just cd into project and then cd bin, and then if I do ls, if I can see that activate. So I need to just hit this command source activate. Okay, now you see I'm inside that environment, because on the left hand side you can see this environment is highlighted. And now if I just go and install my library pyth3 install pandas, let's say, now you see this pandas will be actually installed inside my environment. So it won't actually create any kind of conflict if I already have pandas installed outside this environment or at a system level. So now I can work inside this particular environment and I can create my own projects. So similarly, I can just install here pyth3 install Jupyter Lab, and it will install my Jupyter Lab in this. I don't want to do this because it's a huge file and I already have it. And yeah, that's how you create a virtual environment, and then by a simple command you just activate it and keep going. Yeah, hope you liked it. Yeah, if you liked it, and then please do like and share with your friends. It will be much more helpful. Thank you.